Asterisk ICAI to hold second edition of Startup Sphere event asterisk. Aims to facilitate over 200 million US dollars funding to startups from investors. Times more than 10,000 people from the startup ecosystem expected to participate in the 3-day event. The Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, ICAI, hosted a curtain-raiser press conference in Bangalore for the upcoming Startup Sphere 2024 event, scheduled from 27 June to 29, 2024, in Bangalore, the tech city of India. The event aims to bring together the dynamic startup community, including partners, unicorns, leading influencers, founders, investors, leaders, and entrepreneurs to discuss a broad range of topics related to the startup ecosystem. Building on the resounding success of last year's inaugural Startup Sphere event in Mumbai, which saw an estimated 100 million US dollars commitment of funding from 60 pitches presented to 75 investors, this year's event is poised for even greater achievements. Sharing insights about the Startup Sphere 2024 event, CA Ranjit Kumar Agrawal, President, ICAI said, "I am proud to highlight the remarkable growth of India's startup ecosystem, now the third largest globally."
So 9 lakh students and 4 lakh members. We are the 13 lakh family, which is making us out of 182 accounting body, the world largest accounting body. We have become
accountants coming into our profession. So each year we are growing. So I think it's a very good platform. First, second is International Trade WTO Directorate. Now again, this is very important because globally now we are reaching out. As mentioned by our Honorable President, that 182 accounting bodies, we are the largest in the world now. So we are also connecting with institutions which are out of India. Globally, we are reaching out and we are asking also, me and the convener were just few days back, were at London and we had exhibited ICI, we had promoted Startup Sphere there, and a lot of response we had received from accounting firms, accounting software companies who wants to participate. So I think that's, hopefully we are expecting few numbers would also be part of this event because there's still time, about 30 days plus, that they can come and participate. So I believe this is again very important that these two committees would have joined hands together for
also immediately, and he started the AI in the ICI. So all everything's are in the place for the chartered accountant to be start their own new venture, and of course the chartered accountant can be service provider, where he mentioned that 1,60,000 chartered accountants are there who is already in the practice, and the country needs qualitative and more chartered accountant in the ecosystem who can give the value advice to the startup on the funding, on the valuation part he already mentioned. So these are the ecosystem which we wanted to develop in the Startup Sphere. So again, rightly mentioned, we are estimating that.
ready? Little bit loudly. So we are the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, which has now become the world largest accounting body with our 4 lakh member and 9 lakh students. Today we have come here in the city of Bangalore to have a curtain raiser event, which we have named as Startup Sphere. Last year we have done in Mumbai as a Startup Sphere, wherein the Chartered Accountant Institute has given a platform to all the youngsters who have some idea, but they are struggling to get the fund. So we call the angel investor, we call them the ideas, those who have the ideas, and we have given them the platform, and more than $100 million funding was arranged by us in the last year by the 75 investors. This year, we have shifted this event to Bangalore because Bangalore is a IT capital. It's a tech-savvy people are here. So we wanted to have the funding arranged for all the youngsters of the southern state in Karnataka, wherein they can come with their ideas and we can arrange the fund for them. On this line, we have decided to have this Startup Sphere this year in Bangalore, which is going to be start from 27, 28 and 29 June in KPTO. KTPO region, where a huge space is there, where the exhibition will be there, where the meetings will be there, seminar will be there, concurrent session will be there. The investor and the startup meet will be there. Ideas will be presented. Placement will be there. All these things will be there, done there in this KTPO and 27, 28, 29 June. And I hope this news should be spread to all the young generation of our country in Karnataka. They can come with the idea and we can give them a helping hand as far as funding is concerned.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.